Hi, I'm Ellie and welcome back to the Tech Tricks channel. If you have a formula in your Google Sheets that frequently change and you need your spreadsheet to refresh automatically, I will show you the solution in this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an auto-refresh feature using AppScript that keep your Google Sheets up to date every single minute. Let's see. First, let's start by setting up a sample Google Sheet. This will be our playground for testing the auto-refresh feature. Open Google Sheets and create a new blank sheet. Rename it to Auto-Refresh Test. In cell A1, type timestamp. In cell B1, type random number. In cell A2, enter the formula $. Now, open and close parentheses to display the current timestamp. In cell B2, enter the formula $rand, open and close parentheses to generate a random number. This setup will help us visualize the auto-refresh in action as the timestamp and random number should update every minute. Now we will write the AppScript that powers the auto-refresh feature. To do this, we need to open the script editor. Click on Extensions, AppScript. This will open the AppScript editor in a new tab. In the AppScript editor, delete any existing code and replace it with this simple script. Now let's explain the code. Auto-refresh function. This function flushes or applies any changes to the spreadsheet, making sure that dynamic formulas like now or random update. Create trigger function. This function creates a time-based trigger that runs the auto-refresh function every minute. It automates the refresh process for us. Now click the floppy disk icon to save your script. Name it something like auto-refresh script. Next, we need to activate our script by setting up the trigger. From the drop-down menu in the AppScript editor, select Create Trigger. Click the Run button. Now you'll see a prompt asking for permissions. Simply follow the steps to authorize your script. This is necessary since AppScript needs access to manage your triggers. With the trigger set up, your Google Sheet will now refresh automatically every minute. Let's watch it in action. Return to your Google Sheet, wait for a minute, and you'll notice the timestamp and random number values update without any manual intervention. Amazing, right? This is especially useful for dynamic formulas or live data that need frequent refreshing. You can find the link to the code in the description. If you want to stop the auto-refresh, you can easily remove the trigger. Go back to the AppScript editor. Click on the clock icon in the left sidebar to open the trigger's dashboard. Find the trigger you created and click the trash bin icon to delete it. This allows you full control over when the refresh feature is active. For the next, I suggest you to watch this tutorial that will improve your skills in Google Sheets. If you have any question, ask me in the comments and I will answer all of them. Do you like this tutorial? Please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.